Hi guys, this is Joe. So today I just got hold of this HTC Legend. So it'll be the latest Android phone from HTC. So I'm fortunate enough to get hold of this before the launch. So this is the packaging, but I don't know whether it will be the final packaging for the launch or not. Anyway, this is the HTC Legend. Okay, I'll talk more about it later. So on the box, it's a very simple box. I think it is the same kind of box that HTC has launched for many of its products over the recent months. So inside, very simple, we have the adapter for the charger, the charger itself, the cable. Okay, this is the cable. I think it's the micro USB cable. Okay, it's a micro USB cable. And finally the earpiece. Okay, this is the earpiece. So maybe let's take a look at this Legend. So based on the report, this chassis is actually made of aluminium in one single piece, and the battery compartment is very special. Let me show you. This is a cover, okay, and this is the compartment. So it took me a while to figure out how to open this, but anyway, let me show you. Okay, to open, just flip it open here, and what you can see here is a red tip. Pull this red tip, is actually the battery. Okay, the battery. This is the battery. Okay, it's a very slim battery. Okay, very slim battery. And what you can see from here is a SIM card slot and the micro SD card slot here. So this is a very new design from HTC, which we have not seen in other set. So anyway, let me put back the battery. Okay, and put back this cover. So you'll need some skill to put back this cover. Anyway, the phone itself has also a very unique thing, is this sensor. Okay, instead of a trackball, it uses a track sensor. It's very sensitive. I tried it before. It's very sensitive. As you know, this is a 3.2 inch screen. Okay, let me show you the close-up of this aluminum chassis. This is the volume button. On top of it is the power on button, the earphone jack. On this side there is nothing at all. Below it is the micro USB port, a reset button, and behind you can see this HTC logo, the camera itself, the speaker, and the LED flash. So it's a very sleek and minimum design.